Hey, it's me, C, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, it is Monday, and today we will be getting into this look, baby. Of course, I didn't do the same exact eye look that I did last time, but we used the same colors and we are looking bright, bold, and vibrant. So I'm gonna just get right into the tee on this look, baby. Oh, I just felt like I'm Zoe. So I'm going to start with this eyeshadow primer from Pretty Vulgar. Last time I did this look, I did not use an eyeshadow primer and it turned out fine. So I wanted to see what using an eyeshadow primer would actually do for these colors and this formula. And we are not going to do the exact same look, but we will be using some of the same colors. But let's just go ahead and put that eyeshadow primer all over our lids. So first we are going in with Muy Excited, this burnt orange shade down at the bottom. And we are going to use that to build up our crease. So right now I am packing the color on and then we will go ahead and blend it out. So as you can see, I'm not pulling the eyeshadow out like I did with the last look. We are going to do another cut crease, but we want it to be more of a circular shape, kind of like, a classic cut crease. So that is why I'm concentrating the product right around this lid. My eyes go outward, so I'm pretty much rounding it out, just so that when we do cut our crease, it will be effortlessly cut. So now we're going to take this fuchsia shade at the bottom. I don't know how to really pronounce this. Puente Tre? I don't know. The colors will be listed below. I'm sorry to my Hispanic community. I have failed you. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm just not that good with the Spanish. I can write it, but I can't speak it. I'm sorry. So we are going to take that and put it right above the orange shade. And this is the M506 brush by Morphe. Okay, so far so good. I can honestly say compared to the last time I did this look, using eyeshadow primer really didn't make a difference. I'm just gonna tell it like it is. The formulas, whatever they razzle dazzle into that formula, it's good by itself. So you really don't have to use a primer if you don't want to, but it never hurts. So next I'm using my NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in White Pearl. So we are going to be using the shimmer shade, and I do know that those work better when they're wet. So we are going to use this to, I guess, to cut our crease. So we're going to put it in the areas where the shimmer shadows are going. And I am cutting my crease kind of big. I always do, just because, I don't know, I just really love the way it makes my eyes transform. I really don't have a big crease or a deep crease, if you will. So I like to create that. You can kind of already see how pretty this is going to be, so I'm excited. Okay, back to the palette. We are going to use the shade Pero Like, and this is a shimmer shade. And whatever your method is, that's perfectly fine. I like to kind of like pat my shimmer shades on and then kind of drag them out a little bit. I know with shimmer shades, some people really like to use their fingers to do so, and that's perfectly fine. Now that our creases are cut, I want to go back in with the fuchsia shade. And you really just want to place that where the shimmer shade stops. This is giving me orange sherbet vibes. You guys ever had sherbet? My grandma, well, my great grandma, she She used to stay having that stuff at her house. So I started eating it. And I like it. If you like sugar, comment down below and let me know. We is looking good. We is looking good. Now for some fun. Because I know y'all already having fun already, but now for some fun. We are going to use this shade right here, this super pretty violet purple shimmer shade. And I'm using the Morphe 432 brush. It's a flat brush. And we are going to make a liner with this. I seen somebody do this on their Instagram page. So I was like, let me try that. I am just going to drag it like I was using a regular liner. Ooh, I hope you guys can see. I don't know how well it's like showing you guys on camera, but this display.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. This display. That's split right there.
Sorry, I know it's probably really blurry right now, but I have to see what I'm doing because, child, we don't work too hard for this look to get messed up. Do you see? Period. I really hope it's showing up on camera because, y'all, it looks bomb. One thing about Alamar's shimmer shades, they are so creamy. So creamy. I'm going to take the burnt orange, more excited, take that shade again, and we are going to smoke out our under eye. I always make these faces when I'm doing my under eye, like, I can't help it, y'all. I'm sorry. I can't help it. Alright, our eye look is about done. We don't have much fallout, but I'm going in with my Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC, and this is in the shade Dark Deepest, just in case we had any fallout, you know, with shimmer shades. It's very possible. And you'll end up glowing in areas you ain't even want to glow, but that's okay. All right, this eye look is about complete, but of course we are missing lashes. So let me go ahead and pop those on. Girl, Spanglish, mommy, Spanglish palette, y'all don't understand. You can create so many dope looks with this. I am feeling the vibe. This is the end of the summer, so I really just want to get these super bright, bold looks off, because, you know, as soon as we transition into fall vibes, trust and believe I'm still be bold and bright, but it's gonna be a little different, you know. So I'm here for the fall vibes. Oh, we have a visitor. Dash, why the video is almost over? You really couldn't hold out any longer? Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure you leave me a comment. Make sure you smash that like button, because that's how I'm gonna know you guys like this video. You like, hello, like, what the heck? What the freak?
What the freak, man?
Turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss anything that I post. I'll see you in the next video.